Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to show you how I make my very easy pecan snowball cookies. So in my bowl I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 stick, which is a ½ cup of softened butter. You don't want to melt it, just set it out and let it get to room temperature and very softened, and 1 cup of chopped pecans. Now I toasted my pecans. You don't have to, but it does bring out the flavor better. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now with my very clean hands, we're just going to mix it all up. And for an additional ingredients, we're going to need some powdered sugar to coat these with. Now just mix everything until it comes together. Okay, when everything has come together, you're going to wrap it in some plastic wrap. And set it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. You can leave it in there for, as long as you want to. And you really don't even have to let it set if you're in a hurry. But I'll bring you back in about a ½ hour. Okay, I have my oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You bake these on an ungreased cookie sheet, or you can line it with parchment paper, and that's what I have for mine. And we're going to roll them out. Just roll them in little balls, around 1 inch. And mine didn't even sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Mine was about in there for about 15. And if you have little ones, they'd love doing this too. And I'm spacing them about 1 inch apart. So when I get all of mine rolled out, I'll bring you back. Alright, again, my oven's preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now we want to bake these until they're set, but not really browned. They maybe get a little browned on the bottom. So we'll bake them around 12 to 15 minutes. Just keep a check on them, and I'll bring you back when mine's ready. Alright, I apologize that the sun's shining in, but mine baked for 18 minutes. They're just set and just a little brown on the bottom. So over here I have my cup or more of powdered sugar ready to go. We're going to dip them in a couple of minutes. We're only going to let them set a couple of minutes. We're going to dip them, then let them cool and re-dip them. So I'll bring you back. Alright, the cookies will still be hot, so you can use some tongs or something to pick them up. But just gently roll them around in your powdered sugar. And take them out. And then once they completely cool, we will re-roll them. Now it's time to roll them again in the powdered sugar once they've cooled. Just take them and roll them again. And then they'll be ready to eat. And I'll bring you back when I get done. Okay, so here is my easy pecan snowball cookies. You can easily double the recipe if you want to. And also it depends on how big or small you make them, how many that you're going to get. So now it's time to try one. These are so good. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment, because I love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.